New day, new surprises. Let's dive into the world of mystery eggs. First up, this shiny red egg. What could be inside? It's a tiny dinosaur. Roar! How cool is that? Next, we've got a sparkly blue egg. Let's see. Wow, it's a mini race car. Vroom vroom. This one's ready to zoom. And now, the golden egg. This one must be extra special. Whoa, it's a cute little unicorn. Sparkles and magic all around. What a haul! Dinosaurs, race cars, and unicorns? Which one is your favorite? Remember, you never know what surprise awaits inside these magical eggs. Stay tuned for more unboxing fun. See you next time, little explorers. Keep the adventure going.